Alright guys, so out here at Calero Lake today, hoping to do some more flipping in those tulies like I did last time. Hoping to look for those still spawning fish up in the shallows. I'm gonna be using a couple Texas rigs, maybe if I can see a bed. I got a sight rig on there. Probably gonna change up between fluorocarbon and braid, see if there's a difference. And so yeah, let's go catch them. There's one. Oh! Oh my God. Dude, he was straight running with it. Are you kidding me? Oh my God. Ah. Jeez. Okay, you know what? Screw that. I'm on a braid. I'm not doing this again. It's freaking ridiculous. Instantly, just snap me off. Okay, screw this. Put fresh 20-pound fluorocarbon on here. I'm not breaking off again. That is ridiculous. Alright, so now I'm going to go with another 1/4 ounce tungsten. Pack a craw on there with some dyed craws. See, with I just put 20-pound fluorocarbon on there. So hopefully I don't break off, because I think I might have just had some old fluorocarbon on there. That's why I was doing that, but I guess we're about to find out. If not, I'll go back to braid. Well, aside from breaking off that one fish, that spot was a bust. Didn't get any other bites, so I'm gonna go some more tulies and see if we can get some more. There's one. There we go. There we finally. Whew. Come here, buddy. Ooh, jeez. A little bit up. Ooh, Jesus. Easy killer. There we go. Whew. Almost got him in the eye there. Very, very close in the eye. Nice little chunker. He might be a female. Kind of hard to tell. Nice little fish though. Hey buddy. Ah, that feels so good. Okay, on that packer craw, Bill. Oh, he ate one of those craws. I don't need a new one of those. As you guys can see, I know, not much for depth, but if hopefully you can see that temp there, 74.5. Definitely in spawn, maybe some in post spawn for sure. So yeah, let's keep flipping these tulies, get some big old bass. Oh, there's a good one. Oh God. Oh God. Whew. Whew. Ooh, that's a good one. There's a good one. Oh God. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. 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 There are females up here. Okay. Oh, oh God. Okay, stay down, baby. Stay down. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come here. Oh God. Oh my God. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yes! Oh, look at that. Oh. Oh, barely skin hooked. Woo. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Not spawned out. God, that fish is big. 7.2. Oh, that's a gorgeous fish. Okay. Let's get a picture there. Alright, let you girl go. Oh my God. What a freaking fight, man. Ooh. Yeah. All right. Oh, that felt so good. All right, let's see here. Let's see here. See that? Look at that. Get out of the wind. It's pretty windy today, but Packer craw, green pumpkin, got a little dyed craws there. That pegged quarter ounce tungsten. Man, can't beat flipping toolies like that. 20-pound fluorocarbon. Whew. Keep it up. See if we can get some more big old girdles. Oh no! God, that one was straight running with it. Ah. I don't know if you guys could see my line, but it was just straight shooting out. I had to really crank down on him. He just, I don't know, I might have had just the claws or something. Ah. All right, guys, kind of just want to show you how I'm approaching this. So basically, just pitching it either right next to the toolie, or if they're pocketless, just like this one, pitch into the pocket. Just looking for high percentage areas where they'll probably be spawning, or just those fish maybe hanging out, because they could, I know some fish are in spawn and a few are in post spawn right now, because the water is low to mid 70s, so they'll definitely be back here, as you guys have been seeing. But yeah, just want to give you guys a couple tips. There we go. Yeah, what the heck, man? Oh, this fish is warm. And the GoPro just died. Sick. Okay, no, that GoPro just died. Anybody know why? Comment below if you know why a fish does that. That's a nice 3-pounder. Nice one. Alrighty guys, so not a bad day of fishing. Caught 4 fish, missed a couple, can't catch them all, nothing I really could do. Broke off one. I think that 17-pound fluorocarbon I had there was just kind of frayed and old, because that was like the 3rd time I've snapped off with that line, so I just said screw it, put some fresh 20-pound on there, didn't have any issues with that. So yeah, pretty much every single fish was using the same bait, that Packer craw green pumpkin with dyed craws, little garlic dye, with a 1/4 ounce tungsten pegged and a 4/0 offset hook. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure and subscribe if you want to see some future videos. Hit that like button, comment below what you guys think I should do to maybe improve on my videos, or what you guys might want to see. So, peace!